Guys, welcome to another tutorial of the solution journals. Today we will learn how to change the language and the language in your application of TikTok. So, and the first step is go to the TikTok app, and here in your feed you need to go to the option of your profile here. You pick here, and here in the menu of your profile you need to go to the superior right corner in these three lines. You need to pick here. And you got TikTok open to you a panel with three options: creator tools, my QR code, and settings and privacy. You need to pick in the option, in the last option of settings and privacy, and after that you need to go down to the option of language. Here you pick here, and the only thing you need to do to complete this process is pick here in app language. I got this app in English US, but you can change to the language of your country if the language of your country is in that list. You change the language, you pick it done here in the superior right corner, and that's it. You complete the process. So this is the video. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.